This ancient guided meditation, passed down through generations, holds the power to transform your internal energy, or what we call Qi, when you practice this on a regular basis. This energy work, or what the ancient Taoists call Qigong, tunes your energy frequency to one of health, wealth, and happiness. Its profound effects can clear any energy or money blocks that may be holding you back, helping you to realign your energy, create balance and flow, so that you can attract more wealth and abundance and happiness into your life. It's a very visual meditation using the power of intention, and as you work deeper into this practice, you'll begin to feel the energy. In the meantime, just follow my lead and let the magic unfold. So when you're ready, I'd like you to find a nice quiet space where you will not be disturbed. This particular meditation can be done standing or sitting on a chair, and will be especially magical if you can do this outside, barefooted with nature. But if you can't access this, then indoors is fine. When you're ready, place your feet hip width apart, with your arms pointing downwards. I invite you to gently close your eyes and take a few deep breaths here through the nose and out of your mouth. Feel your breath and be in the moment. And as you do this, be sure to smile and visualize a sparkling golden light in front of your mind's eye. And this golden light builds as you smile. And as you take a breath in, allow this sparkling golden light to enter through the point in the middle of your eyebrows. And allow this sparkling energy to wash over your brain as you breathe in and out. Now see this sparkling energy wash down the front of your face, your neck, your chest, down the front of your legs, flowing down the front of your body, and see it washing away anything that doesn't belong in your body. Any blockages, grey clouds or darkness that doesn't belong, just clear it all away with the vibrant, sparkling energy that you've cultivated. And see it flow down your body from the top of your head all the way down to the bottom of your feet. With each inhalation, you breathe more of this vibrant energy into your mid-eyebrow, through your brain and down the front of your body, all the way to your feet. Do this for a few moments. And watch the energy flow freely, cleansing as it makes its way down. Now I invite you to visualize this vibrant energy circulating down the bottom of your feet and up the back of your calves, up your legs, your back, all the way around the back of your head, circulating around the top of your head and back down again. See this vibrant energy in your mind, and if you can, try to tap into the feeling of what it feels like when you're circulating this energy around your body. Perhaps you feel a tingling sensation, or a bit of warmth, or a light flutter. Feel what it feels like when you're circulating this energy. And if you feel like you don't feel anything, that's okay too. You will feel it eventually the more you practice this meditation. Be sure to keep on smiling and allow that sparkling golden energy grow with your smile. Inhale this into your mid-eyebrow again and see the golden sparkling energy wash over your brain, down your face, down your neck, slowly down your chest and your belly, your legs, all the way down to your feet. Circulating it under your feet, and inhale as you see the energy go up your calves, the back of your legs, up your back. Inhale as it washes over the back of your head and back around again. If you feel that there are parts of your body where the energy just doesn't flow so freely, then bring your energy and your attention to that point, as this might be an area where you need to release any blockages or any pent-up energy that needs to be moved. Bring your attention to this and work with the golden flow of sparkling light till it flows through this point freely. Whatever you focus on or bring your intention to, the energy flows. So see this golden sparkling light cleanse every single cell of your body. cleanses your brain, cleanses your eyes, your face. It cleanses your throat, unblocks anything that needs to be unblocked. It cleanses your heart, your lungs, all your vital organs, your liver, your spleen, all the way down. And as it moves up, it cleanses the back, the lower back where your kidneys are. It cleanses every single cell of your body, and it flows freely. Do this until you feel lighter. And do this until your body feels like it's vibrating with the golden energy. And you can do this for 10 minutes a day or 20 minutes, whatever time suits you. And when you're ready to finish your practice, bring your hands up to the front of your face and start to gently push down the energy in front of you with your hands. And see the energy from your head move its way down to your belly. Brush it with your hands over and over until you feel any heaviness make its way down to your belly. And then place both your hands on your belly. This is the area what the Taoist calls the dantian. And this is the point where we lock in the energy that we've been working on. Now it's important that we do this so that we can access any of the extra energy that we've been working on from our bodies into this point. Now gently spiral your hands around and around 36 times in a clockwise direction and 24 times in an anti-clockwise direction. Or if you wish, do it as many times as you can so that you can lock in the energy into your dantian. And when you feel like this is done, you can gently open your eyes. And now pay close attention to how you feel. Do you feel lighter? Do you feel more vibrant? Do you feel like you could walk on air? Pay close attention to your state of mind. And then go out into the world feeling calmer, more relaxed, and grounded. Thank you for joining me today. If you'd like to download this meditation, you can do so by clicking on the download link below. And if you'd like more videos to help you on your journey to wealth, abundance, and happiness, be sure to subscribe to this channel.